Are you struggling to make your mark in the crowded world of social media? Well, fear not. Today, we're going to unlock the 6 secrets to creating a successful social media campaign for business owners. So let's get started. First up, know your audience. Understanding your audience is key. Dive deep into demographics, interests, and behaviors. The better you know them, the more targeted and effective your campaigns will be. Second is to utilize multiple social media platforms. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your presence across various platforms to reach a wider audience. Each platform has its strengths, so leverage them to your advantage. Third is writing engaging content that attracts people. Content is king. Create compelling posts that resonate with your audience. Be authentic, tell stories, and evoke emotions. Remember, quality over quantity. Fourth is being consistent in your posts. Consistency builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. Develop a content calendar and stick to it. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, maintain a consistent posting schedule. Fifth is to respond to your audience. Engagement is a two-way street. Reply to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Show your audience that you value their feedback and interaction. Sixth and last, add a strong call to action button. Guide your audience towards the desired action. A strong call to action can drive conversions, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or visiting your website. Now that you have the tools, it's time to take action. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with fellow business owners. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.